In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson AcuLaser C1600 series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser. Into Google, you want to search for Epson AcuLaser C1600 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results come back with an Epson domain. This is Epson AcuLaser C1600 support. Go ahead and open that up, and then scrolling down here underneath Product Setup, select the Epson Software Updater, and then select Download. And then once it's on your machine, go ahead and open up that file. Should be a verified publisher. Select Yes, and then proceed with the wizard here of getting your printer configured. If using a Wi-Fi connection, you may want to get that set up on your printer before proceeding with this tutorial, and then you should be able to load it directly on the Software Updater screen here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.